Dear Abby Adams, which date do you believe should be celebrated as the date of American independence, July 2nd or July 4th? Signed, an independent thinker. Dear independent thinker, funny you should ask that. My husband wrote me a letter on July 3rd of 1776 from Philadelphia. He said in that letter, the second day of July 1776 will be the most memorable epoch in the history of America. I am apt to believe that it will be celebrated by succeeding generations as the great anniversary festival. It ought to be commemorated as the day of deliverance with solemn acts of devotion to God Almighty. It ought to be solemnized with pomp and parade, shows, games, sports, guns, bells, bonfires, and illuminations from one end of this continent to the other, from this time forward forevermore. You will think me transported with enthusiasm, but I am not. I am well aware of the blood and toil and treasure it will cost us to maintain this declaration and to support and defend these states. Yet through all the gloom, I can see the rays of ravishing light and glory, and I can see that the end is more than worth all the means. So, I do believe that we should celebrate both the 2nd and the 4th, and indeed every day, as a day of independence forever. Signed, Dear Abby Adams.